If you go and check Bitcoin, every time actually according to the seasonality, Bitcoin in October time goes up by average about 22%. And if we check Bitcoin from the bottom to the top in October, that gives us by 22% pump to the upside about $138,000, and that gives us the confirmation Bitcoin breaking the previous top at about $124,000. And as you can see in 2017, when Bitcoin passed the all-time high, after a few weeks we saw a massive rally in altcoins as well, and altcoins was sitting at the very bottom price before Bitcoin break the all-time high. And in 2024, when Bitcoin passed $70,000, as you can see, altcoins was sitting at the very bottom, and after that we saw a rally from altcoins to the upside. And this time is not that different, but it's not confirmed yet. I'm gonna wait till by the weekly candle close. And as you can see, I think in my opinion, according to these two candles we have got, it's a bullish engulfing candle on weekly time frame on total market cap for altcoins, excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stable coins. I think they are at the very bottom, and we are going to see a massive rally coming to the alt market, to the altcoins, by the next few weeks. And if we switch on this chart, it is Bitcoin dominance. According to this chart I have got in here, the macro trend has changed for Bitcoin dominance, and it was making low, high, higher low, higher high, and it was on uptrend. But the previous low at about 60% got broken, and it's making now actually lower low and a lower high in my opinion, because that was the previous low and this is the high we have got. I think we are going to see a bounce to the upside to about 62 to 63%, and after that we are going to see a massive downside movement from Bitcoin dominance to about 48 to 42%. And the thing is, actually, as you can see in here, the MA50 on weekly time frame and EMA50, both of them got broken few weeks ago, few months ago, and now the Bitcoin dominance is below that one. I think they work as a resistance now, and this is the confirmation the trend has changed and we are in a downtrend for Bitcoin dominance, which makes altcoins to go parabolic to the upside. The other thing is, according to the seasonality, every time in October, Bitcoin dominance goes up about, by average, about 5%. And when Bitcoin dominance goes up about 5%, that gives us about a 62% for the Bitcoin dominance. And after that, I'm expecting in November and December, see the Bitcoin dominance going down actually. But the thing is, in this chart, the total three excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stable coins, in October we see by average about 2 or 3% to the upside for all coins, but in November and December by average about 20 and 30%. If we combine these percentage together, as you can see, it's going to be around the 56%, which is going to about $1.4 trillion for altcoins. But if we check actually November and December 2017, 20% or actually 30% is just the average. But I think altcoins market is gonna go way higher than this one, like more than 50%. I'm expecting about 100% or even higher than that. That makes the alt market actually about $2 trillion for the November and December. If we use the Fibonacci retracement from the top in 2017 to the bottom in 2018, the top for 2021 was about 4.236%, about $3 trillion for total market cap. And if we use the Fibonacci retracement from the top in 2021 to the bottom in 2022, that gives us about a $10 trillion for total market cap. I'm not saying we are going to reach to that level, but that's like a psychological level, $10 trillion for crypto market cap, and we may see that one. That was all for today. Thank you so much for liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next video.